Hey Dad, got something new for you today. I think you'll like it. Check it out. Lemon chicken soup with zucchini and kale and some beans. We're gonna start off with some peppercorns and cardamom seed in there. And then we're gonna throw in some butter. Then I'm gonna do some thyme and rosemary. And then we're gonna cook that down for a second. And then we're gonna add our shallots and some garlic and some chopped up celery and carrots to make our soup. Here comes the lemon squeeze. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's really like that. Give it a stir, cook it down, let everything sweat it out. So now that your flavors are nice and sweated together, we're gonna add the star of the show, and it's gonna be some chicken. And then I like to salt my pepper chicken before, and we're just gonna let that cook down. Throwing in some more butter. I should have said this is like a butter lemon chicken soup because there's a lot of butter. So now I'm throwing in my chicken bone broth that I had. And I'm gonna add some more water to that, get it up to a good level. And then I added some more lemons. I forgot to show you, but I added some more celery and some carrots into the mix, so there'll be big chunks, because the other celery and carrots is just flavor for the soup broth. It's gonna be good. Now we're gonna toss in our zucchini from the garden, which is always nice, and then throwing in some of that kale. Get that all in there. Now we're gonna add some beans, some garbanzo beans. They're super good to this dish. More lemon, because this is a lemon chicken soup. So I'm gonna throw in some fresh oregano too. Grind that up, put that in there. Then we're doing some fresh ground up arbol chili flakes for that spice. Give her a stir to blend in them flavors. Cause why not? Some purple onion. Yeah, Martha. I'm gonna give her a look and give her a quick stir and check the flavors. It's gonna be good. Look at that. These veggies look so nice with that chicken. That's right. Healthy in the pot. From the garden, some golden tomatoes. Those are always nice. Why not? Some sourdough garlic cheese toast for dipping. Why not? All right. So now it's time to serve it up. And we're gonna dish it into our 2 bowls. It's gonna be so good. Here we go. Look at the veggies with that chicken. This stuff's great. Bowl of health right there. Now we've been served and dressed with our dipping toast. That was a damn good healthy soup. It was so good and just off the brain. I like my thoughts like these sometimes with food.